Hello everyone, my name is Ben. I'm the guy behind G3 CXO Photography, M3 CS. Don't know who you are. Hello. You join me with Ash's gorgeous E46 M3 CS. It is Interlagos blue, and I've been told to say CS stands for competition sport, not club sport. I believe this one is a very, very rare model, being a CS and not a CSL. You join us at Bicton College, where we're going to take some photos of it alongside this lovely pathway that has like loads of monkey trees over the top of it. And yeah, you're just going to see some POV stuff of what I do on a shoot. We're shooting in absolute broad daylight, which personally I'm not a massive fan of, as you can probably tell by a lot of my content, but we do it anyway because we like to make cars look nice. Right, so I thought we'd kick off our sort of new YouTube series with some long form POV reels of Ash's M3. Yeah, I'm shooting on a Canon R6 paired with a 28mm Sigma f1.4. Lovely bit of kit, lovely bit of glass. A lot of people ask why I went with the 28mm and not the 24 or the 35. To be honest, I used both and I couldn't decide between the two, so I just went straight down the middle. Yeah, so as you can see here, we're doing a few different shots. Detail shots, wheel shots, badges, rear quarters, front quarters, kind of just going through my usual sort of little checklist that I have for myself. It's always good to have a checklist before you go on a shoot, or at least have one in your head of basically just the basics, just things that you're like, right, I know I need to get those. They're the ones that everyone likes. So front on, rear on, front on, rear wheel, front wheel, badges, front three quarter wheel. You know, just go through them, like pick all the angles that you know the client is gonna like, and then kind of get those basics in, and then do some kind of creative shots in with it. But just make sure you get those basics done. This area was absolutely lovely. I've never been here before. Ash showed me this, and it was absolutely lovely. The sun hit it really nice. I bet during sunset this place is probably amazing. Ash wanted something in the daylight with the blue skies to go with the blue car. Obviously we agreed. We were like, yes, let's go do that. This was all a little bit last minute. Oh, I actually really like this shot. This is one of my favorite shots. Let me know what you think, which one out of all of these is your favorite. Also, while you're in the comments, kind of just let me know what you want to see from this channel. We're just going with the POV reels because they did well as reels and shorts. So I figured let's just jump on it long form and go from there. But yeah, you tell me what you want to see from this channel. This is just a short, quick video, and let's jump to me on the outro. Right, and that's it. That was a taster of a little shoot in broad daylight with that lovely background that Ash has very nicely shown me around here, which I've never seen before. But yeah, that's a little kind of behind the scenes of what happens on a shoot. This is just sort of the shooting side of things and not the editing side of things. Maybe we could do a separate video on that. You tell me if you want to see my editing workflow. You tell me. Just tell me in the comments, and your wish is my command. But yeah, thank you to Ash for coming out and bringing his gorgeous M3 with me. Yeah, if there's anything else you want to see from my channel, this is the first video we're putting out like this. I think this is the first time I've ever been on camera in my life. And like I was saying to Ash earlier, my point is that I'm quick enough to tell people what to do on camera in front of it. Maybe it's my turn to actually get in front of it and get out my comfort zone a bit. Anything else you want to see from the channel? Just drop in the comments, like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll make some more stuff.